lovelies, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm just doing a quick self-care body care haul. I think this year in 2020, with all that's been happening, all we've done is pretty much stay indoors. We haven't had a chance to go out a lot, so I think for myself personally and a lot of other people, we've seen a shift and a big focus on self-care and body care. So I'm just going to do a quick haul on the items that I got recently. Some stuff I'm just topping up, some stuff I'm trying out for the first time. Yep, so let's just get into it. We're gonna start off with the brand Demologica. I've seen this brand a lot popping up, so I got the little they're not samples, it's just the little sizes. They're very little, from Farmers, which is a department store here, but you can pretty much get it from, I think, a lot of places. And this is the Demologica Daily Microfoliant. I think it's like a little powder exfoliant. And I also got the multi-active toner. So these ones come under the travel size. So I'm just going to try out these ones, and then if I like them and if my skin likes them, then I'll move on to get the bigger sizes. I also got the special cleansing gel as well, and I think, yep, and I also got the moisturizer, which is the intensive moisture balance. It's really tiny, and that's that one. And then it also came with like a free item from Farmers, which is the Dr. Hoshka facial toner, and this is what it looks like. And then I also got the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Revealing Liquid Peel. So I'm going to try that for my face, since we're getting into summer, just to maintain that glow and that vibrance. For my skin, I also got the Vitamin C Daily Glow Cleansing Polish as well to use with the peel. I'll probably maybe use one first and then try the other one, just so that it's not too harsh on my face. And then what else do we get? And then I'm going to move on to the stuff I got from Neutrogena. And I got a few things from there. I got the Hydra Boost 100% Hydrogel mask for masking. I'm a big fan of masks, so I got that. And I got the Hydra Boost Eye Roll On, which is like a little roller for your eyes. And it's just that small item. And I got the Hydra Boost Serum, which is like a 24-hour hydrant. And it comes with these little pearls in there. And then from that range as well, I got the Hydra Boost Hydrating Facial Gel Mist. And that's that one. I also got the Hydra Boost Water Gel Sunscreen, and it is SPF 50. And this one leaves no white marks. People rave about it. And I also got the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Night Concentrate. And this is for like deep hydration at nighttime, and it's got vitamin E. And then I got some new Hydra Bomb Eye Tissue Masks for your eyes. These are new, so I'm going to try these out. And I just stocked up on my micellar cleansing water oil for when I need to remove my makeup or just remove product on my skin to reapply other items. From the Neutrogena range, I also got the Bright Boost range, and this is like a new range. I don't know if it's new here or if it's just new in general. And this is the Bright Boost Illuminating Serum, and it's a brightening serum. And I also got the Bright Boost Resurfacing Micro Polish. So this is the brightening one. So I think the pink range is mostly brightening. So this is just to like awaken your dull skin cells, to make them vibrant again, and to refresh them. And I also got the Bright Boost gel cream, just like the blue one. And this is the pink one. And then from Manuka Honey, I got their Special Care Hand and Nail Cream, and these smell divine. So I just got like it's meant to be a 3-in-1, but you get a free one as well. And this was just from the pharmacy. Moving on to scents. I got the Rexona Clinical Protection Roll-On because I like maximum protection, whether in winter or summer, but especially when we're going into winter. And this is one of my go-tos. This is my favorite scent. This is like my signature scent. 60% of the time I'm always wearing this. So Farmers, they currently have like a Christmas sale going on for their gift sets. This is when you can get them for a good deal. So this is La Vie est Belle. Life is good. So we've got the 30ml fragrance, and then we've got the 50ml body wash, and then we've got the 50ml hand and body lotion as well. And when you layer them up, trust me, you will smell divine for the whole day, and you won't even have to top up. And then one of my other fragrances that I love, I stocked up on the Jimmy Choo Fever pack. So we've just got the fragrance. I think that is that one is the 100 mils, and then it also comes with the 100ml perfumed body lotion. So I usually prefer to get things in sets so that I can layer up my scent for a long-lasting scent. And then the rest of the stuff that I got were just some small makeup items. So I got the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. I'm going to try that one. And I also got the Essence Matte Finish setting spray as well. And I got these two Makeup Revolution, and they are pout bombs. They're pretty big. So I got a clear one, and I've got like a brownie nude. And I also got the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighters. And I've got one in the shade Molten Rose Gold, which is this one. And then the other one is the Molten Gold, which is this one. So this is shade 100 and shade 50. And this is the other one. What else did we get? I got the Milani Matte Satin lipstick, and it is in the shade Velvet, and that's the number 09. And I'm going to be trying out the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Crease Proof Long Wear Concealer, and I got it in the shade C10. And then I just got a Conceal and Correct Makeup Revolution concealer. I think it's like, you know, orange reddish, just to spot conceal. And lastly, I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Setting Powder, and I got it in the number 25 medium, and I'm going to try that out for the first time. And that is pretty much it for my little self-care, body care mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are looking after yourself, taking some time out to do the things that you love, to pamper yourself, whether it means you go somewhere or you do it in the comfort of your own home, your own bathroom, your own bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!